Video content is a hot topic today. What better platform to watch videos than YouTube? Since its launch in 2005, it became a hit and was acquired by Google in 2006. Today, it has experience with over 1 billion users, who can use video in 76 different languages, making it second largest search engine in the world after Google. Its increasing popularity makes it ideal for individuals and businesses to use for marketing purposes. But like all good things, this popularity is a downside for marketers. The popularity of YouTube implies that it is a platform with intense competition, with over 400 hours of video uploaded to YouTube every minute. Trying to stay ahead of your game in the midst of such intense competition is a challenge, but if done right, it will help you reach millions of billions of users, increase your YouTube subscribers, and increase YouTube views for your videos. This is why it is necessary to develop an effective YouTube marketing strategy to ensure that you are getting the most from your YouTube marketing efforts and getting real YouTube subscribers. Creating a marketing strategy is key to starting your YouTube marketing and developing your YouTube ideas as well as YouTube subscribers. The goal you want to achieve must be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and time-bound to help direct your marketing efforts. Decide on what type of engagement you are targeting with your audience, along with clicks, number of YouTube subscribers and YouTube views. Determining your key performance indicators will help measure the results of your efforts. Once you have a well-defined strategy, it's time to put it to work to see results, and these tips can help you get the most out of your YouTube marketing efforts and witness growth. If you are interested to learn how to increase your YouTube viewers, click on the subscribe button and check out our next video.